It's December. It's the coldest, darkest, shortest days of the year, and you might be suffering from seasonal depression. Plants do too. We're going to be introducing a homestead hack on how to bring more light to the greenhouse, to the plants, to make everybody happy without buying those expensive grow lights. Here's a riddle for you. If you drop me, I will crack. If you smile, I smile back. What am I? An egg? A light bulb? Oh, I got it. It's a jack-o'-lantern. Anyway, if you're looking to bring a little bit more light to your plants, there's a very simple, inexpensive solution. A mirror. Sometimes mirrors can be a little bit gaudy, a little bit bulky, and sometimes expensive. A real cheap trick to do is to get yourself some reflective Mylar. The benefits of reflective Mylar are it's light, obviously reflective, and inexpensive. The plants in the back of our greenhouse only get the light from the south. In the evening, our grow lights come on, giving light from the top. We're going to be putting the reflective Mylar in the back so the bounce light hits the north side of the plant. Hopefully, this will give our plant even light and prevent it from stretching towards the south. So this was a super simple project to do. We just put some double-sided tape initially to hold the Mylar. Then we used a sticker board with a couple screws in it to hold it up permanently. We're not worried about any wrinkles or creases or anything like that. If you want to have a more perfect job, what you would do is you'd put it on a frame and then use the heat gun to smooth everything out.